welcome to this series where we are discussing articles of Indian Constitution. Till now we have discussed Article 1 to Article 9. In today's video we are going to discuss Article 10 and Article 11 of Indian Constitution. After Article 11 your Part 2. Part 2, as we have discussed already, Part 2 of Indian Constitution deals with citizenship, and the Part 2 starts at Article 5 ends at Article 11. So Part 2 will be over today. So let us now see the details of Article 10. So Article 10, it talks about continuance of rights of citizenship, meaning that let's say you have been given or granted citizenship under Article 5 or Article 6 or Article 7, right, or Article 8. Then these, once you have been granted citizenship, the citizenship will continue. That is what Article 10 talks about. Let me now read the details of it. So it says, every person who is or deemed to be a citizen of India under any of the foregoing provisions of this part shall, subject to the provision of any law that may be made by Parliament, continue to be such citizen. So if you have become citizen of India, then you will continue to be such citizen. There is one exception. This continuance of citizenship is subject to a law made by Parliament, right? If Parliament makes such a law where they gives condition that under these conditions citizenship of a person can be taken away, subject to that condition your citizenship will continue. Or you can remember it like this: only according to that law passed by Parliament your citizenship can be taken away. Otherwise, once you get the citizenship of India, you will, or that citizenship will continue. That is what Article 10 talks about. It is a very simple article. There is nothing much difficult to remember. Now moving forward to Article 11. Article 11 is about Parliament to regulate the rights of citizenship by law. Let me read the details first. It says, nothing in the foregoing provisions of this part shall derogate from the power of Parliament to make any provision with respect to acquisition and termination of citizenship and all other matters related to citizenship. Meaning, you see, under Article 5, 6, 7, 8, what we have observed is that these articles talks about who shall be citizen of India on the day of commencement of Indian Constitution. There is slight exception under Article 8, but broadly these articles talk about who shall be citizen of India on the day of commencement of Indian Constitution. But who will regulate the issue of citizenship after commencement of Constitution? This power under Article 11 has been given to Parliament, right? After commencement of the Constitution, after Constitution came into being, comes into right force, then who will regulate the issues regarding to citizenship? Those issues might be regarding to acquisition or termination of citizenship or any other matter related to citizenship. All these will be regulated by Parliament alone, nobody else than Parliament alone. In this regard, in 1955, Citizenship Act was also passed, which is very, very famous. Citizenship Act of 1955. It talks about many other ways through which you can get citizenship of India. It also talks about how you can lose the citizenship of India. One way of losing citizenship we have discussed already, that if you voluntarily acquire the citizenship of any other country, you automatically lose the citizenship of this country. Other ways of losing citizenship, those ways have also been covered under Citizenship Act of 1955. This Citizenship Act only was amended in 2019, which became very popular, or which became which gained the attention of whole of the country. Citizenship Amendment Act of 2019. I am saying that Act amended the Act of 1955 only, right? But we are not going into the details of the Act of 1955. We are only discussing Article 11. Article 11 empowers the Parliament of India to make laws regarding citizenship in India after Constitution came into force. So these are two very simple articles related to citizenship in India. In the next video, we are going to start with part 3, that is fundamental rights which are ensured in Constitution of India. Thank you so much for watching this video.